Why Canary Island? Because here we have 30 species of cetaceans, so one of the most important difference of all the world. So these water are very important to study, and at the same time, with the passing of the time, there is a lot of naval traffic, and this make a lot of collision with the animals. So for us, in these days, with all the problem that cetaceans have to solve it, from humanity activity, the strikes with the boat are one of the most dangerous. The noisy, because also the boat grow up the sound in the ocean. So for these cetaceans that are so use the vocalization in the water, it's a very big problem.